Hi, in this video, let me show you how to print on photo paper pictures using your Epson EcoTank ET-2803. I'll be using my iPhone, okay, a picture that I had on my iPhone, but you can do the same thing using your Mac, PC, or even Android smartphone. So let's get started right away. The first step will be to connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your device that has the picture. So currently this iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi, to my home Wi-Fi, and I will connect this printer to my home Wi-Fi as well, so it's able to receive the picture. Press the home button so we all start on the same screen. Next, we're gonna press the right side arrow a few times until we get to Wi-Fi setup. Press OK. Select Wi-Fi recommended, press OK. OK again. And now we need to select Wi-Fi setup wizard, press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks currently around your printer, and it will give you a list. Here's the list. Use the up and down arrow to navigate through all the networks. Select your Wi-Fi network, and once yours is highlighted, if you do not see your Wi-Fi network, you can press this button right over here so that the printer starts searching again. Select your Wi-Fi network. Once it's highlighted in orange, press OK. And now it's time to type the password of that network. If your password has some symbols, you're gonna go down over here, press OK, and you can switch to symbols, numbers, capital letters, and others. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Now go down and select OK, and then press OK over here. Wait a few seconds. You will get this confirmation message, setup complete. Before going on the phone, let me show you how to input this photo paper. So over here I have a 4x6 sheet of paper. As you see, it's made by HP. One side is glossy, the other one is not glossy, and it's not meant to be printed. I'll put links in the description down below if you want to get some photo paper from Amazon, so check this out. Otherwise, we'll go on the back of the printer, remove any paper that is currently inserted. And if you take a look, these blue guides, okay, they're on each side. You'll need to bring them closer together, around here. Take your photo paper, and then you need to insert it with the glossy side facing you. On the screen of your printer, once you have inserted the paper, you're gonna get this, previous settings. You'll have to select change, and instead of letter size paper, you're gonna put the actual size of your photo paper you're gonna use. In my case, it's 4x6, so I'll select 4x6, and it's not plain paper. I'll select glossy and press OK. OK, perfect. Now it's time to go on your phone or your computer. I'll show you with my iPhone. So go into the pictures and tap on the picture you want to print. Once you have your picture open, you're going to tap on your iPhone on the lower left side, the square with an arrow pointing up. Then you need to go down until you get to print. Tap on print. Over here, you're going to select the printer, ET-2800, number of copies, the paper size. Make sure that everything looks great. The only thing you need to change is in media and quality. Instead of normal, select best. Now, it doesn't look good, as you see. You have some white bars on each side. If this is the case, unfortunately, you'll have to download the Epson app. If it looks great to you without those bars, go ahead and press the print button and it will print right away and everything will work. Let me show you, in case you have those white bars, how to eliminate them so it looks better. So you're going to go on the App Store and you're going to search for Epson. Download the Epson Smart Panel app. This is how it's called. Press open. After open the app, you'll have to click on your printer, ET-2800 series. It will be added. Then click on print over here on the main page and then select print photo. So I have selected the same picture. Now it looks much better. I'll go over here. I'll tap. I'll change the paper size since I'm trying to print on 4x6. And here are other settings you can change, including if you want to print borderless. Print quality, I'll select high. Done. Make sure your picture looks good. And in this case, as you see, I don't have any white bars anymore because this app knows how it's a better suited if you printing pictures. And over here, I'll press the print button. If you get this message, printing is suspended due to paper mismatch, it means that the paper you have selected on the printer is not the same as you have selected on the app. So what I suggest is that you press over here and make sure that this paper is actually the one that you have entered in the screen here. And in my case, I have forgot to change this to photo paper glossy instead of what it was there. That's why I got the error. So over here, I'll press OK. Click the down arrow to say no. Click again on the down arrow. Cancel the printing by pressing this button. And now start again. I'll press done and I'll press print here. And now it should work. And the result is out. As you see, the picture got printed on the glossy side. It looks great. And not on the other side. And you can do this on full-size letter size paper that is photo paper with gloss or matte finish. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to check my Amazon links if you want to get some paper. See you in the next video.